People often ask me how to get a low maintenance garden, and there's a few tactics. One is mulch. So right here I've got living mulch, which is ground phlox. But before that got established, it was wood chips. Those break down slowly. They're sort of like a slow release fertilizer. So I recommend mulch at the very least because that helps to suppress weeds. Another is to plant drought tolerant stuff. So most of this stuff is drought tolerant, and even about half is native stuff. That stuff belongs here. It's going to do well in the conditions. It doesn't require fertilizer or, like a repellent or whatever, like that's meant to be here. So that makes it low maintenance. Another thing is to pack things in close, perennials. So you can always move them later. These are the plants that come back again and again. So when things get bigger, fill in, you can move things around, divide them, whatever. A way to keep things cheap is to divide your own stuff and move it around, and that also increases the continuity around your yard. And finally, low maintenance is with shrubs. Don't plant those too close together or close to the house, because then you're setting yourself up for a lot of extra pruning, which is maintenance. So these are just a few tips.